Omu district ya Lyantonde nkama district aganda ombaro gw'abatine emirimo nigweyongyera kandi ekiresireho obworo omu bantu namunonga eminyeeto. Ahabw'enshonga egi abatine emirimo nibashaba abebembezi okubateeraho emiringo y'okutungamu emirimo bakaihamu entaasya.
Social and environmental issues, then we have education and development. So one whatever is ensonga ina tukagenda tureba rugemwe nikiza kikuwereka hamwenji omunyeto eminyeto nebasa kwanguhira niga kwanguhira abanyabutegeki okugira ngo bakikozese omubutamanya kandi cyakubye kitakikere.
To mobilize the people. Instead of asking for money, you ask for projects. But you shall say, projects like nature drought. Now go to you run by the rule, or do you by not? Assure me that you'll get to me the transformer for Katenu. The transformer, because and the transformers are there, not telling you they are there, there is no.
Okurugerera hamenyeto nebechurenga munongo ombwire bw'akaruru konka hibiri kuhwera bayabuka na season.
Wabula kyensobola okulabula abavubuka ku nsonga eyo nti abavubuka mwennyini mwabakkiriza abantu ab'ekika ng'ekyo ba politicians abatali bakulembeze okubakozesa ne babawabya ate oluvannyuma ne muba nti temusobola kufunamu.
My responsibility number one be tandisha n'omujeshi to show the youth say no to money. Say no to money. That's the best we can do.
Programs zikiriyo tuzikabire NRM n'enviitu y'omuzaire witu erukuza kutwiha omubworo shana waba otetebekanise.
Gasha kwa Sande K. William.